Hello, right? Hello, bear. Hello, bear. Hello, auntie. Hello, Cherry. How are you today? How are you today? And we say, I am auntie happy, right? I am happy. I am happy. Auntie, look at the bear. Oh, the bear is hungry. I'm hungry. Then the bear says, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm scared. I'm so. Then look at the bear. No, sit down nicely. The bear says, wake up. Oh, auntie, I'm sleepy. Wake up, auntie. Okay, and auntie is happy now. Happy. Now, I'm gonna put your legs down. Sit down nicely. Look at the bear. The bear can sit down nicely. Listen to me, okay? Now, let's sing our hello song, okay? Hello, everybody. How are you today? How are you? Hello. I said, hello everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teacher. How are you today? I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends. Hello, my friends. Hello. My toys with you today. Actions. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Put your arms up. Put your arms down. Put your arms up. And shake it all around again. Up. Put your arms down. Put your arms up. And shake it all around. Bend to the left. Bend to the right. Oh no. Bend to the left. Bend to the right. Once again, hello. Hello everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Say hello. Say hello. Wave your hands. Yes, wave your hands. I am gonna listen to what you say. Hello to my friends. Hello friends. Hello friend. My little friend. My toys with you today. Okay, great. Give me 5. Auntie, high 5. Auntie, are you sleepy? High 5. Yeah, give me 5. Huh? Auntie, please. High 5. Okay, bear. Give me 5. Boom. Oh, auntie. Boom. Yes, thank you. Good girl. Now, let's review the letters and words we have learned. Okay? First is letter. Auntie, look here. Letter M. And we have... Stop. Auntie, now let's review the words and letters we have learned. Okay? First is... Bear, look here. Okay? Auntie, look here. Yeah, good. First is letter M, and we have M, milk, right? M, milk, right? Okay, let's give some milk to our little bear. Would you like some milk? Yes. So yummy milk. Milk is yummy. Good for auntie's tummy. Okay, let's sit down nicely. Next is M. Auntie, what's this? Money. Okay, money. Say M. Money. Touch the card. Yes. Okay, say money. M. Money. Next is letter N. And we have nose. Oh, big nose. Let's put on the bear. Ooh, nose. Big nose. And this nose. Okay, Auntie, touch your nose. Nose. Touch your nose. touch your nose. Okay, next is and. Auntie, look here. What's this? Look here. Oh, and net. Auntie, say net. And net. Now let's catch the bear, okay? Walking, 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 walking. Catch! Oh no! Walking, 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 walking. Catch! Oh no! Auntie, help me! We have and net, right? Net, right? Okay, net is a net. Next is letter O, and we have something yucky. Ooh, we have onion. Auntie, say onion. Auntie, I cannot hear you. Say onion. 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 Let's try, okay? Let's try. Ooh, yucky. Would you try? Try a little. Auntie. Oh, Auntie does not want. Okay, a bear will try. Oh, it's yucky. Oh no. Okay, and the last word is O. Say it louder. Don't whisper. Ow. Right? O. Ow. And an owl can fly, right? Fly, fly, fly. Yes, your bear is going to show us. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an owl, right? Owl. Okay, Auntie, thank you. High five. Yes, okay. Okay, Auntie, now let's talk about the jobs we have learned, okay? First, here we can see a T. Oh, here, like it looks like rainbow, right? Here is a teacher, right? Good girl. Say louder, okay? Teacher. Oh, here is a alarm clock. Here are some books. Oh, here is a pencil, right? And we say, I want to be a teacher, right? Teacher. Next is, okay, sit down nicely. Next is a say doctor. Say doctor. Okay. When Auntie is sick, and when we have fever, oh no, I'm so hot. Then a doctor gives us some medicine, right? Here is some medicine. I take one. I'm okay now. Auntie, take one. Take one. Okay, take some medicine. Here is a doctor, right? Doctor. I want to be a doctor, right? Doctor. Okay, and the last one is, who is it? It's traffic police. Traffic police. And traffic police says, hello, Auntie. Hello, please stop the car. And Auntie is driving quickly. And traffic police says, stop the car. Hello, Auntie. Don't drive quickly. You should drive slowly. Okay? Next time, drive slowly. Auntie, yes. Traffic police, yes. Traffic police says, stop. Stop the car. Stop the motorbike. Okay? Then we say, I want to be a traffic policeman. Yes, here is his stick. Then here is a whistle. Stop the car. Okay, now let's say bye-bye. Okay? We say bye-bye. Auntie, say bye-bye. No, don't whisper. Say louder. Say bye-bye. Auntie, I cannot hear. Oh no, I cannot hear. Say bye-bye. Auntie, wave your hand. Okay? Say okay?